By law, your clients must use Making Tax Digital for income tax from April 2026 if their gross income from self-employment and property is more than £50,000. You need an agent services account to connect your software to HMRC, sign up these clients, and manage their records. You must have authorisation from your clients in this account. This is different to your online services for agents account, but you can add authorisations from one to the other. To do this, sign into your agent services account using the Government Gateway ID you created when you set it up. On the Welcome page, select Add Existing Self-Assessment Authorisations to this account. You'll then see any client authorisations you've already added, including the agent code that was used and the date it was added. To add more client authorisations, select Add Agent Code. Then, enter the agent code for the client authorisations you want to add, and continue. On the next page, sign in using the Government Gateway ID you use in your online services for agent account for the agent code you're adding. Once completed, you'll get confirmation that all client authorisations from that agent code have been added. You can then sign your clients up for Making Tax Digital for income tax. You can find out more about signing your clients up to Making Tax Digital in our webinar and on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.